Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy a domain name at Hostinger. Alright, let's begin. First, log in to your Hostinger account by heading to their website and entering your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the hPanel dashboard where you can manage domains and hosting services. Next, use the Domain Checker tool to search for your desired domain. Type the name into the search bar and click Search. If the domain is available, add it to your cart. If not, Hostinger will suggest alternatives and different extensions you can choose from. After selecting your domain, choose the registration period, usually 1, 2, or 3 years. You can also enable privacy protection to keep your personal details hidden depending on the extension. Once ready, proceed to checkout, enter your billing details, and pay using methods like credit or debit cards, PayPal, or others. When the purchase is complete, return to hPanel, click Domains, and locate your new domain. Complete any required contact information and verify ownership via the confirmation email. So that's basically how you can buy a domain name at Hostinger. That's it for this video. Thanks!